Hey guys, what's up? Happy holidays. If you're not celebrating the holidays, I hope you're having at least a good day. I'm filming this actually on the 25th of December, Christmas. This is actually one of the gifts I received. My brother gave me 4 gigabytes of RAM for my MacBook, so this is a video of me installing it. I went from 1 gig, and he upgraded last month during Black Friday because he got 2 sets of 4 gigabytes of RAM. So I took his old 2 gigabytes and waited until Christmas to upgrade to the 4 gigs. So I went from 1 gig to 2 gigs, and then now I have 4 gigs. What else? My MacBook, though, I believe it's a mid-2007 model, so it only supports up to 3 gigs. But when I put in the RAM slots and I did the About This Mac, it said 4 gigs. So I'm not sure if it's utilizing the extra gig or it's only using the 3 gigs. No matter what, definitely an improvement over 1 gig because just the speed overall is amazing. It went from, really laggy, really slow, a lot of applications were crashing, and now it's definitely running smoother. So that's all I wanted to say. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a safe holiday. Alright, to start off, we're going to turn our MacBook upside down. For people who just recently subscribed to me and haven't seen my first video, I actually have the black MacBook. People are kind of shocked by seeing it in my last video. So what you need is a coin of some sort, have a quarter. The smallest screwdriver you probably own, and it's a Phillips head. RAM chips. And I rest my MacBook on top of a Monster cleaning cloth, just, to keep it clean and off the desk. And before you start doing anything, I've read that you should be touching something metal before you start, because the static electricity from your fingers could damage the internal parts, so just touch the scissors that I used to open the RAM. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to open the little coin slot. That's how you get the battery out of the old generation MacBook. Here's the battery, little light indicator thing. Yeah. So what we have, if you guys can see, I'll zoom in later, these 3 screws, and this is what you want to remove because it's an L-shaped bar, and it will reveal the RAM doors here and the hard drive door here. So we're going to remove this screw right here, this screw, and this screw. So let's turn to the left. They're very small, so you only need a couple turns. And they won't come out. From what I believe, no matter how hard you tug, it's attached to the bar, so Apple doesn't want you to lose these tiny little things. Middle one. Oh, I didn't do it all the way. Okay, I think it's out. Last one to the right. It's so small, I can't even see it. Okay, there we go. Alright, hopefully this should come out. Okay, the middle one's not out yet. Okay, the door is out. This L shape should come out. Apple's instructions are right here next to the where the battery connects to the MacBook. But you're going to have these 2 doors right here. These 2 little levers. And right here you'll have a tab to the hard drive. I won't touch that. But what you want to do is, there's going to be a lot of pressure, but use a lot of force and just slide it over like this, and the RAM will just come out. And grab by the sides and pull it out. Now remember where the teeth is, right here, where that gap is, because you need to remember when to put in the new ones, how to put it in. So I'm taking out the 1 gig sticks. There's 2 of them. There's only 2 slots in the MacBook. Take them out very carefully. Okay, this is the new RAM. This is 2 gigabyte sticks. So flip them over. What you want to do is wind this back. Just slide it in. Alright, you're going to push a lot of force. Use your thumbs, and you're going to grab the other side of your MacBook. Here, let me raise it up now. Let me move this RAM. This will be the new RAM. Okay, so we're going to apply a lot of force. You're going to feel it actually move in. Oops, move the tripod. So use your thumb and push it all the way in. You're going to use a lot of force, and you're going to actually leave marks on your thumb. But just push it in, make sure it's completely in. Teeth go to the left. Other one.
Okay. Okay, I think they're both in, put the doors back in. Keep the old RAM just in case, so if you ever experience any problems, you can put in the RAM back in and see if it's actually just a RAM problem. So to put in this door thing, I think a little trick of doing it. Oh wait, you're supposed to go a notch first. Yeah, telling you that. There we go. Right. There we go. Okay, now let's take our screwdriver again. Screw back the door. Middle. Side. Okay. Make sure the middle is in, because last time I had a problem with the middle screw. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna put back in the battery. Goes in this way, because you see the metal connectors here. And push down, and lock it in with the coin. And let's restart and see if my MacBook detects the new RAM. And there you have it. It says 4 gigabytes of RAM. Actually, I didn't know this, but it detects the 4 gigs when I stick it in. But I think my processor still can only accept the 3 gigs, but at least it's kind of satisfying knowing that your MacBook knows it has 4 gigabytes. So thanks for watching me upgrade my MacBook RAM. Thanks again to my brother for buying this for me, my RAM upgrade for Christmas. A month ago I was using a gig of RAM, and now this will just be an amazing improvement over just how fast my computer runs. It's going to be really great. So thanks for watching.